Cars and Coffee got canceled today, so we all decided to go out to a parking lot. So let's see what's going on. Typhoon getting some attention in a bunch of JDM World. Feel free to open the door or anything. Yeah, she can sit in it. Not a bad turnout.
I know.
going on? Pretty nice. The Typhoon's getting some love here. Yeah, pull the lever.
Are you running hot or anything right now?
Huh?
Are you hot or anything right now? Just get used to it.
Oh, it's fine. Good. I got a towel if you need.
Yeah, please. And then I'll get your email after this so I can actually, or if you're on Facebook.
Yeah, I'm on Facebook and the Monsters page.
Awesome. Yeah, I haven't seen Typhoon in quite a bit.
Yeah, I think it's the only one here in Okie.
There's
I heard there might be another one somewhere
There's a red one up north.
up north. That's probably the one I've heard about.
I've seen it once or twice. Very, very seldom, but.
And I've also got the Knight Rider car too. You've seen it, right?
Yeah, I've seen it.
That's mine. I was gonna bring it out today until it rained. So next time.
You gotta keep it. Yeah, double.
What's going on? Appreciate it.
Hey, clear the lane, y'all. Nice part of the show right here.
Tokyo Drift.
Thanks, guys.
Guys, I have stickers to sell. Anybody wants some?
How much?
They are 1 for 3.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Not too bad. How's the cyclone treating you, man?
Actually, the radiator hose blew out on it yesterday.
Oh.
So I spent 2 hours in front of Community Bank putting it back together.
Oh, yeah. I saw pictures of that. I saw pictures of that.
Other than that, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty nice is getting some love out here.
Oh, yeah.
All these JDM cars, and they went straight for mine. So
And USDM. Out of nowhere.
it works.
Hi, Facebook. I'm Jimmy. Thank you.
Out of everything here, my favorite thing will always be the Typhoon. No matter what. Because it's such a rare truck, and I can't.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw that too, Dina. Thanks, Sean.
You guys are just waiting for something.
That skyline is awesome.
Yeah, they're with the car.
Brian.
Oh, yeah.
There are a lot of skylines out here.
Oh my god. I'm getting, okay, do you know Bingo Thursday? I'm getting that to
Actually, I love this blue one over here. That's a nice color. I know, right? That blue's pretty cool. Super Crew over here. I was going to bring it out today, but it started raining, so I left it and brought the Typhoon instead. There's a lot of Supers out here.
You can't see. Oh, you can't see. It's pure fucking magic.
Hey, don't get us kicked out. Please don't.
That's the one thing you're missing in a car that I'd like you to get. That's like the first thing most people get.
They're pretty common over here. That is a nice FD. Check out that hood. That looks mean.
I know, that's what I said. Like, I'm going to be doing stuff. And they were like, you got to be doing something. Like, no, not anymore. I ain't doing that shit.
I bet. It's kind of about as, there's not that many Typhoons in Japan. Unless you count real Typhoons, they suck. Here's our R33s. Hey Michael, been a while. How you doing?
Your other points of the car, they are the same car pretty much.
Couple hiding over here. Oh, this glare is killing me. Yeah, Mike, I got a GMC Typhoon. I'll go back over there in a second. Check out this 34. This glare. There we go. There's an older Sylvia.
Yes, the drift wagon.
Let's head back over to the Typhoon. Cars and Coffee got rained out, so we pretty much took over a parking structure, the fourth floor. Ooh, GTIR. There's only 2 of these on island. I know of, a white one and this one. There it is. And I don't have kid out today. It was raining. 4.3 turbo, goodness.
Holy shit. Look, it's like a bunch of Hispanics in the States. Oh, Jesus. That's racist.
A few bikes that made it out here in the rain. Yeah, these are nice.
How do I prove to Nikki that I already paid when I forgot my second pass? Because I already paid on it too.
Let's go deal with this. Hey, you can sit down, but can you not lean against it? I don't know if you got any hooks or anything on your pants. You can sit down though.
Where's the aux cord?
Huh?
Where's the aux cord?
The what?
The aux cord. Let's get some tunes pumping.
Oh, I don't want to get kicked out of here. Trying to keep the noise down. Well, we kind of just took over with no. That's why we're stopping people from revving their engines and stuff. That's 1,000 right there. It's not as impressive as the stereo in my car, though. This is just tunes for the road.
Yeah, that's the same car. I don't have any.
Initial D. No. A86.
It's like falling apart.
Yeah. We normally have a big parking lot we do this in, but we got rained out, so we just came here on a whim. Say hi to Facebook. Oh no, it's actually a lot better now, Mike. God, how many years has it been since you were here? $1998. Yeah, that's a long time. I got back in 2000. I've been back ever since. Hey, one of my guys made it out. Hey! 70 Nova. That is my friend JJ.
I had American Triumph.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You might want to pull that way a little more. All right, yeah, from there. Oh, where's he going? He gets the VIP parking. Later, Brian. Yeah, but we've been trying to keep the noise down so we don't get kicked out. What's up, man? Surprised you actually came out. Later, bada bing. Isn't it? There used to be two of them here. One guy already PCS'd. He had a blue one with white stripes.
Look, I sell my Skyline for this car any day. Fuck my Skyline.
Yes.
Oh my god, that thing's nice.
Appreciate it.
Where you coming from? That thing?
Huh?
Where did that come from?
I heard it used to be in mainland. It's been here since '95, from what I can tell by the paperwork. And it's only got 60. Actually, when I got it, it had 66,000 miles on it.
So it's on it now.
So 68. So it's my daily.
I was gonna say not too much, but
Yeah, I'm trying to, keep it running. It's in pretty good condition. Previous owner could have taken better care of it, but overall it's not bad. West Virginia. I've been in Okie like over 20 years, so I have the Typhoon and I have the 88 Firebird. It looks like Knight Rider.
I got an 85 Regal back home, and then because I'm from California, one of my friends has a Cyclone.
Oh, nice.
That was a Dancer.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I gotta have something that can keep up with JDM cars and not many boosted American vehicles.
Could have went with the Grand National if that was the case.
Oh yeah, I'd sell my left nut for one of those. Exactly. I was lucky enough to come across the
I
Typhoon.
was close. I came across one who was selling it for $15,000. I almost jumped on it.
Yeah, if I could find one. Actually, what I really want is an '89 Turbo Trans Am.
That's hard to find.
Say hi to Facebook.
I love California.
Yeah, if I could find a Grand National or a Turbo Trans Am, sorry Typhoon, I love you, but you'd have to go. Nice.
Very Southern California, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, chop top, huh?
Yeah, I cut it off with the saw. Just sanded it down myself.
Nice.
Apparently there's a two-door Tahoe that rolls around here too. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, that belongs to my coworker. The white one, right? Or the blue one?
Blue one.
That one is,
He's actually from my hometown, Fresno, California.
yeah, he bought that from a friend of mine down in Naha. There's a truck shop down there. And he actually had the black Suburban before, but it was too big. And so I introduced him to that guy, and he sold the Suburban and got the Tahoe. That one's lowered, and it's got dually fenders on it to make it wider.
Oh, wow.
Somebody's actually playing the theme song to Tokyo Drift.
Like music?
I know, right? Doesn't get any better than this.
You put the whole what's it called, album on.
I get a feeling it's gonna be right. I don't make the respect.
Okay, I think he's really trying to do self over self.
Yes, it is Japan, Richard. Say hi to Facebook.
Yeah.
Well, we had a good turnout today. Thanks, Richard. There we go. Is that cool or what? ZX. GT4. Wow, a Chaser. That's old school right there. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up so I can take some photos. Thanks for watching.